Today is Thursday, February 1st, 2024. And here I am getting ready to release the water that may be in the filter. I'm gonna let that drain. Got the plug all the way up. Again, today's Thursday, February 1st, 2022. Okay, I have finished draining out of here. I've let it drain out for the most part. Now I'm going to take my 1 1/8 socket and I'm going to proceed to remove the actual filter housing. Interesting. The last time I did this, the filter looked just like this one. I was short on time at one point, so I let the dealership go ahead and take care of it for me when I took it in for one of those oil changes. What do you call it? The Jeep Wave oil changes. And this one's a little different, but they are the same size, and the openings here look to be the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and lube up this O-ring with some diesel fuel, and then I'll put it back right in this groove here, and then we'll get it back in place. So this isn't really meant to be a how-to or anything like that. There's plenty of videos out there on YouTube. This is honestly just for me to remember when the last time I did it was, and some video evidence that I did replace this with the genuine part, and that I did do it on time. So I'm gonna go grab the cap and screw it back on. And look at that, exactly where it was before. This bucket out of the way, and unfortunately, the skid plate is actually doubling as my phone stand right now, so let me figure something else out for that. everything seems to be A-okay to me. Don't you think so, Banana? Hey, Blakey. And at 25,898, this makes this the 4th fuel filter that's been on this rig. The first one that came from the factory replaced at about 10,000 miles. The next one replaced at an oil change at about 16 or 17,000 miles by my local dealership here. And then this one. So that makes number 4.